In this video, we will explore how to access and make changes to the company profile page. In the company profile, an admin is able to adjust the company logo, change the internal contact information, and update the default time zone. Within the Clovers app, navigate to the leftmost panel and click on the cogwheel icon at the bottom of the screen. This takes you into Settings. Once there, your user profile will display. To move to the company profile, on the left-hand side, click into the box labeled Company Profile. The company logo is used in candidate-facing notifications. To add a logo, click Browse Files. This will prompt your Files folder to open. Search for the image that you would like to use as the logo. Click the image to select it, and then click Open. Your new image will appear in the company logo section of the page. The contact email indicates your company's contact for questions related to the internal use of Clovers. Note that valid email addresses are those that use one of the company domains registered with Clovers. You can see the acceptable domains here. To add a new email, simply type in another address. The default time zone is what will display automatically on all new user profiles. Each user, however, will be able to adjust their own time zone on their personal profile. Time zones are displayed in the drop-down by region first, with the cities appearing after the region. Select the region that best suits the majority of people who will be using the app for your company. Note that at the bottom of the page, two options have been activated. You may choose to save or undo the changes you have just made. Clicking Undo brings the page back to its original state as of the last save event. Once you are satisfied with your changes, click the Save Changes button. You have now learned how to access and make changes to the company profile page.